Hello and welcome to Times Food. I'm Smita Mishra. I head Times Food and your host for the day. And today we have with us Chef Dayashankar Sharma, who is joining us from London. Chef Sharma owns the acclaimed restaurant Heritage Dulwich in London, and he is also the Michelin plate winner and has been recognized by the Michelin Guide for the year 2018, 19, and 20.
And
Welcome,
21
Chef,
as well.
and 21 as well. Welcome, Chef Sharma.
It's my pleasure to thank you so much.
So, Chef, how has the pandemic been treating you?
The most suffered, I think, the industry is hospitality industry, and especially the restaurants and small cafes and small restaurants, takeaways, and the bars and nightclubs and all. And I think the things that slowly is coming on track. And I opened my restaurant. I plan to open in January this year, but suddenly because of this lockdown, I cannot. And then I started takeaway and deliveries, and that went very well.
So, Chef, you have been in the field for the last 32 years. So, tell us something about your journey. How has it been?
This is actually because I was a science student. I was studying science, and my main aim to do the pre-medical test, and then I want to become a doctor. So I tried 2 times, but I didn't got chance there. My father seen the ad on a newspaper, and he came to me and says that see, what is this hotel management. So that time it was not that much craze. People don't know much about the hotel management at all. So suddenly I realized that yes, why don't I do try. Then I got a chance, and I done my diploma, and then started career with Oberoi's and done training, and then I got a job. Spent years in India, and then I got opportunity to came here in London. I came here in London in 2000 and opened a restaurant here in London along with one of my senior chefs. So we opened that restaurant together, and then I joined a very famous chain of restaurants in here in London that is called Tamarind Group. I worked with that group for around 13, 14 years, and then I decided to open my own. So the Heritage Dulwich is already there now.
So, Chef, tell us what is the most popular dish in your restaurant in London?
Here in England, there is fish and chips is very popular.
So, Chef, what are those few things which you feel people, those few mistakes that people commit while cooking fish, and what they should actually avoid?
Yeah, fish cooking, that is the first thing in a fish. You need to understand that how the timing is very important while you are cooking fish. Because timing, if you are cooking over, then what will happen? The fish will be chewy. Another thing is that because seafood is the most, the contamination also happened very, very fast with seafood. The people cannot handle it if it is raw. So you need to understand properly that how you need to cook it properly. First thing. Second thing, you no need to cook it over. Then, so that's why this is very delicate to handle and very delicate to cook. The key thing is, you can pre-marinate fish and you can keep it for some time. And for a frying, first you need to make your pan hot, proper hot, and then spread some oil on that. And then you can sear your fish, you can half fry, whatever you want to do. So that is another thing.
So, Chef, what are we making today?
We are making, as like I mentioned you before, this is one of the good dish in Goa. And I seen this dish was like one of my friend's family, and they used to in India also. When I was there in Indore, that time there is 2 families was cooking this dish, and this dish was fantastic and very easy to make. It's very familiar to us because if it is healthy as well.
And what do you call it, chef? What's its name?
This is Goan stuffed pan-seared, pan-grilled Goan fish.
Okay, so let's begin. I'm quite excited about it.
Thank you. So let's start.
Yeah.
This is tilapia fish fillet. You need to cut in like 2 pieces. So these 2 pieces here. You need to cut something like this. We will do the pre-marination of this. Sprinkle some red chili powder on it. So some turmeric powder. Yeah, some salt in it. Lemon juice. Marination will go properly. We are going to leave it like this. Then we are going to do our stuffing. We have to take the fresh coconut, grated, 1 piece of garlic and coriander, salt, tamarind, green chilies.
So it looks like a traditional South Indian chutney in the making.
No, this is not South Indian. This is typical Goanese. The Goanese, how they do it. Now what we need to do? We need to do the stuffing and fish. We are having here egg, beaten egg. We need to dip in this. Cover the whole piece in this. And then we need to...
These are breadcrumbs?
No, this is not bread bun. This is semolina.
Yes.
Suji, yeah. We need to make a pesto. So I think you can see how we have done. We are taking for pesto coriander, 1 clove of garlic, pine nuts around this much, salt, then little bit of sugar, crushed black pepper, little bit, lemon juice, and then olive oil. So now we need to grind it, make a fine paste. You can see our pesto is ready, something like this. Another thing, we are having green vegetables along with pesto, that is with the olive oil and all. Now we need to mix. So this is pesto. Now we need to cook our fish. That is, we need to do shallow fry. We need to put oil on pan. We do the nice decoration, so it looks good as well. Mayonnaise fish के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Two type of beetroot. I cut them in a way it looks fantastic, like a
It's looking beautiful, delicious and divine.
Yeah. One more garnish here, see.
Chef, it was a pleasure connecting with you, and hope to see more delicious dishes and to make them with you in future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure too. Thank you very much, Times of India Food, for inviting me and giving me a chance to show my skills.